Alright, welcome again. It's Felele right here. Another beautiful episode. You know your host, still ringing. Honorable Skete is my name. I got with me an expatriate in the business, Coach Ogodo.
Yes, Bushino, I reach Samuel.
You see, I hailed you today.
Not that you hail me today. You always been hailing me because you can't just invite somebody from diaspora and should not give me the title he expects.
You don't deserve the accolade, but we have to put you so that you can look good for the viewers. Anyway, moving on, you know how we do. We give you the news segment, and of course we go over to the leg over segment. But beginning, let's serve them the news.
Okay.
Yes, moving over to the news. Outbreak for Nigeria as Moses Simon is ruled out.
Moses upon Simon, they pay our mortgage Nigeria break out on.
No. You don't understand. Ask questions if you don't understand. Tell me to come again.
Which one is come again? Are you a woman or you are?
You know Moses Simon, right?
I know Moses Simon. I didn't know that his father is selling that drink, this alcohol drink. I know him. What happened to him?
I said he has been ruled out from going to Russia because of injury.
They will me before now because normally before when you drink too much of alcohol, too much of intake of alcohol, when you are not working, you know your eye will
muscle injury.
Yes, I was told about it that when Toyota Muscle Camry to be an injury. You know why he has that injury?
How is there vehicle on the pitch?
Yes, he was
on the field of play. Sustained injury. Where do players sustain injury from?
It's accident now on the Ibadan Expressway.
Yeah.
Why do you always have injury?
And you are a coach.
I'm a coach that don't have to understand. I do not identify accident by accident. When someone have injury is when you use your head to just knock on the floor. Just you have small kaja. That's injury. But when you have accident, you know that is the thing that boy had. And I don't know if you can recover quick, but let's just see if the accident can help.
So that is bye-bye to his World Cup hopes.
And it's not that it's bye-bye. It depends on they do the surgery. I don't know if that one the one I spoke with the doctor yesterday, they said they will cut his hand. But when
Simon,
his
injury was not even as bad as that was Salah.
And his injury is not just injury, it's accident he have. Accident in him. Because when he somersault, when he somersaulted on the pitch.
Alright, that's how far. We'll go on the news. From one story of Moses, we're moving to another story of Moses in the leg over segment. We'll be back. Alright, it's still Felele, and now this is the leg over segment. So please, I'd like you to be very logical in your analysis, please.
I'm logical. Because me, I don't even like, I don't know that I have all those magic all those things.
Be spot on. I need you to be spot on.
I don't add spot on my body. I use cream. All my body is very clean. The problem you have is that you think you know English. But English, you speak rubbish English. You ask me, I say no. You have trashes, no.
What does it mean to be spot on?
That's when you have spot on your body now. I mean,
no.
Can't you say,
that's to be articulate.
Articulate, go.
Alright, we want to talk about Moses, Victor Moses.
Wow.
We just talked about Moses Simon.
Okay.
Now, do you know that they gave him time out, a few days so that he can, celebrate his wedding anniversary?
That do I know that they gave him time out to celebrate the wedding?
Do you know?
About the one that gave him time to go and flex with his wife. When he come in, tell me that he want to do his wedding anniversary. I said, how many years have you used in your marriage? You are saying you want to do anniversary. Is it has used 2 years? I said, now 2 years. Me that I've been married for 55 years and I broke up. I scattered everything.
That's where I'm coming to.
Where are you coming to?
Number one, you are not married. And you are claiming to be Coach Ogodo, the coach of the Super Eagles. What example are you laying for your players?
Family planning, of course. You are telling me that me, I'm not married. You tell me I'm not married. I have baby mamas.
No, that's not marriage.
That's they marry me. And I tell you I'm not married again. I have 2 baby mamas. I have one in the village, I have one here.
I was surprised.
That what?
When I heard that Ahmed Musa has left his former wife and then he married another one.
I told him to do that because wife want to kill him. Don't you know Ebu Ame? See?
Eboe. What happened to Eboe?
Woman scatter his life. And I want people that don't let woman scatter your life. So you should be very agile. I'll give you bail if you want bail. So all my boss, as I only train them that when one woman leave one person and that woman is who you will marry. Who many woman in the fish, so in the river, so don't do yourself something. They are following their father's step, which is me. I have trained them in a pathway not to train your child.
I'm very, very ashamed that you are even having the boldness to say this on camera.
That I'm training my boys in the right path.
Which boys are you training?
My Super Eagles boys.
You are training them to be responsible people because they are superstars in the sporting business.
Yeah, they did not scatter their life at early stage. How old are they? Some age you want that they want to scatter their age. So me I'm not telling that you should be very sensible. So you should be very knowledgeable that woman should not scatter your life.
You can be responsible and still be a football star.
Yeah.
Look at Fabregas.
Okay.
He married a sweetheart.
Who is
After many years. Look at Messi. He stayed with one partner.
Were you there Messi called me yesterday? His wife slapped him yesterday night.
Yeah.
Because of ordinary meal. He said that fún mi ló ń jalè. He said, do you drop out of soup? So over ọbẹ̀ ni. Ó kàn fún ní gbà.
All the millions that we are paying him, but now what is he using it for?
He said the woman he want to do him. That's why he want to discipline the woman.
Your facts are incorrect. We can't continue like this.
The Fabregas you are talking about. Fabregas just follow girlfriend yesterday. Don't tell the open one hotel that they catch him. You know, not begging me that don't tell my wife, don't tell my wife. Me no go this thing. You know, all these boys, they have their secret, this thing.
I wonder where you are getting your facts from.
Do you know how many countries I've been to in my life? You that you don't want to be in public, you've not been to.
You can't go to Russia.
Yeah, I can't.
These are the things that we are saying. The Super Eagles, we should know the team that are going to Russia to represent. If you go there, you would distract the boys. You are arranging games for them in the locker room. What's all that?
I just want them to concentrate. How often are not blaming somebody a foolish man? Have you not had that adage? Don't you know that after you work, you play finish, you work finish, you use something to step down?
Alright, congratulations. What's his name? Victor Moses. Yes. Happy wedding anniversary to you. We say good luck.
This one you are telling me congratulations. He has come back to camp. I told him that he should just play with you yesterday night and come back sharp.
But we have to talk about it. It's a good thing. That's a responsible man.
That is which one.
Some people have carried girlfriend. They did not remember their wedding anniversary. They don't remember the birthday of their wives.
And you know why this one even remember? It's because the wife told him that if you do any, I'll sell your house. That he was not afraid. That's my coming in.
That's how far we can go on Felele today, ladies and gentlemen. Please be responsible. If you can't learn from your own players, and you will go far in life.
I mean, my player will learn from me. That's how follow my footsteps. Don't you know that the shoe I have?
Can't you see I want to sign out?
Well, sign out. Why the Bible in your hand? I want you to sign. I want to sign. Oh yeah, no, go and sign and collect money for this.
That's how we're going to wrap on Felele this week. God bless you till the next episode. Still ringing. Honorable Skitty. Thank you.